Hello everyone, we are in place upgrading our Windows Server 2016 machine to Server 2022. I got distracted in the last video and just limited myself to creating checkpoints. If you want, you can see that video in my channel somewhere. So what we will do is we will mount the ISO for Windows Server 2022. I don't want you guys to see what's in my downloads. Okay, so bye. Okay, and let's start the process. Okay, so I do not want to make this installation better and change how download updates. Okay, next. I keep pausing the video because I don't want to waste time in the editing. So I'm gonna pause now until it asks me to click next. Okay, so we will be upgrading to the desktop experience and then we will click next. Applicable notice and license terms. Okay, I accept. Choose what to keep files in settings and apps. Next. So the reason we converted this from server evaluation to server standard was because in server evaluation when we come here, it this option is grayed out. We only have option to do nothing. So we want to keep file settings and apps and then click next. Okay, I'm gonna pause it now and then wait for this to complete. Okay, it's still checking for updates. I'm still waiting for this to finish. Okay, because we have vector directory installed here, I'm getting this error that this domain controller does not contain Windows Server 2020 adprep forestprep updates. So I'll follow this link and then I will install these updates and then I will restart the update process again. So hold on while I get this sorted. Okay, so this is the link that is given on the error. So what we need to do here is we need to prepare the AD and forest. So what we will do is, okay, we will go into right click here, and D cd sources and prep. Up. Okay. Oh, we need to go into support. Support. adprep. adprep and /forestprep and enter. About to upgrade schema for using the correct domain. Okay, on the later you want to upgrade a schema then from writing C. So I press C and then I press enter and it is upgrading. The command has successfully completed. Okay, and now if I come in here and I do refresh, oh, next. Still, I'm gonna wait for this to complete. Still waiting. Oh, we got this message again. So it seems that we did forest prep. We need to do domain prep also. Oh, okay. And now we do refresh, and voila, it's continuing. So we first did this command for forest prep by going into support adprep folder on the server 2022 DVD drive, and then we went into we entered the domain prep command, and now it's continuing with installation. So let's see how it goes. Ready to install and install, and okay, let's see when it's done and it's booted. I will be unpausing the video after every few minutes during this upgrade process. So I'm gonna pause the video now and play some games while it gets done. It's going smoother than expected. So let's see how it gets done. Yeah, it's almost finished. 32%. Okay, so update is completed. Now it is going to restart after installing the Windows updates. So we will wait for this to finish now. It's still gonna take some time to finish. When this is completed, then I'll resume the video. It's been more than half an hour and it is still working on installing updates. Let's see how much longer it takes. Okay, so it's skipped from 25% directly to reboot. So now we will see what happens when this reboots, if it's still installing updates or is it going into the server. Oh, it's still working on updates. Okay, let's see. I think it's gonna take a lot of time. It's already, I think, more than 45 minutes that it is installing updates. Okay, we are almost at the finish line at 99%. After this final reboot will be the moment of truth, if this is upgraded to server 2022 or the upgrade failed. Let's wait for the reboot. Okay, and the server is back, and I will try to log in. There's no visible difference in Windows Server 2016, 19 and 2022. So after login we will see if the upgrade was successful or not. It's acting as if we are logging into this account for the first time. Okay. Come on, come on. Oh, I guess this is upgraded. So now what we want to check is that if our Active Directory services and the accounts we created, groups we created, they exist or not. And I think it was 2 hours ago that we started this process. Oh yes, it is upgraded. And local server. So we have upgraded to Windows Server 2022 standard, and okay, we see the domain and tools and users and computers. So after this we will be uh, doing adding another domain controller to this domain, and we will also create a separate video for joining a computer to the domain, and then we will look into group policies and how we assign them later. And I will also do a video on structuring your users and how do you like what I think is the optimal way to structure your organizational units and users, and why is it that I think it's best. And you guys may have objections to what I would be suggesting, but we can discuss this. So we can see that the accounts that we created, they do exist here, and the groups that we created, including the test group that we created in a separate video, it's exist here, so it means that our upgrade is successful. So that this will be all for this video, and if you have any questions you can reach out to me in comments, and you can also give me suggestion on what topic do you want me to make a video on next. You can check my website upwork upwock.com to see what my expertise are, and in on from there you can suggest me, okay, I want you to do a video on that. uh, so this is Farooq, and that will be all. Thank you. Bye bye.